organic learning.
Hey there, kiddos! Let's find monster vehicles. Find the monster SUV. You got it! Find the monster city bus. That's correct! Find the monster fire truck. Great job! Find the monster motorcycle. That's right! Find the monster pickup truck. Excellent! Find the monster school bus. Fantastic! Find the monster ambulance. You got it! Find the monster tow truck. Great job! Find the monster minivan. You found it! Find the monster delivery truck. That's correct! Find the monster garbage truck. Great job! Find the monster taxi. Excellent work! Find the monster car. That's right! Find the monster food truck. That's the one! Find the monster street sweeper. You got it! Find the monster police car. Awesome! Great job, you guys! Hope you had fun! Bye-bye! See you next time!
If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you!